Saw a dancing young lady who worked in a bar. A dozen Lone Rangers don't know who they are. The waitress was spinning, my head was ajar, and I should have been home with you. Saw a reeling old drunk man dancing around. Thought his grey whiskers should still have been brown. But a Lupino wouldn't keep the dress down. I should have been home with you. I should have been home with you. I wish I'd been home with you. Well, hi there, pluckers. I ever saw things again with hopefully another interesting lesson, if not frustrating. This is a song called I Should Have Been Home, from a gentleman called Blaze Foley. Okay, standard tuning, and no capo's doing it the same key as he did this song in. Okay, so what you heard there was a slightly shortened version. It's not very long. I just missed out a couple of verses. Okay, so it's just verses and choruses and the intro. And the intro is the most difficult part, really. Okay, very frustrating, needs a lot of finger memory. Okay, so just let me sit down in a dark room and I'll come back after a couple of minutes and show you hopefully what I did. Well, hi there boys and girls, I'm back with you again. So let's get into this intro. Now this is, in my opinion, quite a tricky intro. So I'm going to break it down into one, possibly two, I think two, at least two parts, I think, so you don't get completely bamboozled with it all. Okay, so let's get to it. So we're starting off with the A minor. Once you've got the intro, that's the worst part of the song out of the way. The rest of it is fairly plain sailing. Okay, so A minor then, and we play the A string, 5th string open, followed by 2 downstrokes on the chord, like that. Then we play the bottom E string on its own, open, and a single downstroke. So you got that. Now we do a little hammer from on the bottom E string. We hammer up to the 3rd fret on the bottom E string. I'm using my pinky, like that. You could use your 3rd finger, whichever is easier for yourself. So now we got this. Or with your 3rd finger, like that. Okay, so let's try that again. Now when you come out of that, you basically start the whole thing off again. So you play the A string open, 2 strums, bottom string open, single strum, hammer. Okay, so you just do 2 of those. Okay, so it's okay. So you do 2 of those, and when you come out of the third, on the 3rd time, you do the hammer coming into the 3rd time. You play the A string as usual and 2 downstrokes on the A minor. At that point we change. So let's just do that part to where we changed into something slightly different. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so that's the first part. When you come out of that part, you go to a G chord. Okay, I'm playing it like that, but it's a standard G chord, whichever fingering you like to do, but I'm doing it like that. Okay, and what you do with that one, G chord, is you play the bottom E string, 3rd fret, and you do a single downstroke on the chord. Okay, so now we've got this. Next is a little simple hammer from the open A string to the 2nd fret on the A string, the 5th string. Okay, so now we've got this right from the beginning. really slowly. Okay, and at that point we go back to the A minor bit again. And we do a complete cycle of the A minor, so it's A string, strum, strum, bottom E string, strum, hammer up, A string, 2 strums. Okay, so let's just get that far, right from the beginning. Okay, so here we go. And then after you've done that, at the end there, you do a little hammer, open 4th string to the 2nd fret on the 4th string. And that, I'm going to call it a day at that point, and we'll call that part 1 of the intro. Okay, so once again, let's get that far. Okay, here we go, right from the beginning up to where we're going to leave it. Okay, so here we go. Okay, and at that point we'll leave it. Thanks very much for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed that so far, and we'll come back to part 2 of the intro in the next lesson. Bye for now.